Ini ang GMA Regional TV Early Edition.
Makabigang subong nga panyempo nga new normal na tungod sang pandemya. Kag ini ang mabatyagan gid sa mga lugar nga masamigi na padulungan sang pumuluyo para magpaliwaliwa. Ini ang mabatyagan man sa Negros Occidental. Amo gani nga sa video project sang artistic director nga si Rodney Ascalon, ginahatagan sang pagtamod ang mga dapat himuon sa paglibot sa subong nga tion. Syempre, dala na diri ang mga lugar nga pwede bisitahon. Kung ano ang mga ini, aton hibaloon.
Mga puso, gusto nyo na bala maglagaw, magpaliwaliwa ang katuan ng mga lugar ng baong dugay nyo na wala nakatuan bangod sang pandemya nga aton ginasugata. Don't worry mga kapuso, pwede na! Go, go, go na! Abang kinahanglan, may tandaan kita nga mga new normal protocols. Ano bala ini? Aton hibaloon gikan sa isa ka beauty pageant coach, director, producer, at the same time, dancer and choreographer. Gikan diri sa Bacolod City, City of Smiles. Nga bala, kinahanglan kita magyuhom, apisar, may pandemya. Tutukan naton, kaupod, si Rodney Ascalon. Hi Rodney, good morning. Welcome to GMA Regional TV Early Edition. May aga.
Hello Adrian, kamusta? Good morning sa tanan nga galantaw.
Thank you for being part of our program. Let's talk about your group. It's called the Arshans, formerly a cheer dance squad, which eventually transitioned into a production house.
Yes, the Arshan started way back 2001, college pa ko. So, sa Lasal, we started this dance group. Actually, it's a cheerleading group and a dance group. Then, later on, nagsigi na kami into events and we transitioned into events and a production house.
And because of this pandemic, you two were pushed to stay home and drop your events. Wow, sakit sa ulo for sure.
Yes, medyo at first very sad kami because, loss ang income sa amon. Then secondly, wala kami venue to also express our creativity. Kaga muna, that's the events are the ones amo gini siyang nagapabuhi sa ngamon yung mga dugo as an artist. But mas importante gid Japan ang health kag ang survival namon subong. So we always prioritize our health at this moment.
Now, what about this pandemic video? It tackles what new normal is all about and, how we can go around and visit the places we dearly missed. Kinanglan, halong lang.
Yes, because we were looking for an avenue or a venue na ma-showcase namon ang talent namon as a Arshans, nga dance squad, and Team Acid sa production house. So,
Yes.
since nagalapit na to during that time, nagalapit to ang Provincial Tourism Month, that was September. So, conceptualize namon nga i-marry namon ang saot kag ang concept kag ang production. So, we made a video about a dance video nga tourism video man siya at the same time.
You have included top spots in Bacolod City. Also, in another video you created for the province of Negros Occidental, mga beach and bukid hits naman, baon na hidlaw nakita na. Kaga mga nagkalain-lain nga new normal nga dapat naton panumdumon ang inyo ginpasalida.
Yes, actually we did two videos. Ang first nga video amo to siya ang the province nga video. Then the second nga video is about Bacolod naman. So ang Bacolod nga tourism video is an initiative of the Regional Tourism, Department of Tourism Region 6 and the Bacolod Tourism.
Let's talk about your process. Paano nyo ginatay-tahi ang mga nagkailain niya konsepto sa pagkaon, new normal sa turismo, new normal even sa art spaces naton? How was your process like?
The ideas are based from experiences. Me and my squad sit down. Usually during pre-pandemic pa, we really love going outdoors. So that's our way of escaping stress man sa saot, kag stress man sa events. So we always go out, we explore outdoors, we go on food hunting, we go on beaches. So we get to sit down, then conceptualize namon ano ang mga lugar nga na-miss nyo, ano ang lugar nga permita nga gusto ta kadtuan. So when all this pandemic will soon stop. So dira kami nag-formulate sa among concept.
Rodney, traveling excites us and keeps us sane. Di wala, das in Manila, gani, ara ang kontrobersyal nga Dolomite Beach. We believe you too had your share of an Asian backpacking adventure, sadto, to keep your sanity. So, rehe kami.
Yes, because gabilibig ko nga, you know, when you're taken out from your comfort zone, dira pagig ka, you discover more about yourself when you travel. So, mo to, I love traveling alone and explore different places. And I believe traveling, gidya, it helps you mentally and emotionally, gid.
Lagaw, for your mental health, people are still hesitant, especially ang wala na bakunahan. Anong imo sining palagtik sa ila sa mga aga?
Well, actually, if we really wanted to go back into normal, you know, we need to be part of the solution. So, ang solution, dara subong nga ginhatag sa aton, there's the vaccination. So, be part of the solution. Vaccination is really safe. It's a proven fact. Right now, Bacolod City, no, we are closing to herd immunity. And it's nice to know the cases are dropping. But also, we don't have to let our guards down. Bisan bakunado ta, safe ta Japon, per me, always follow health protocols gi Japon.
Again, this morning, mga kapuso, ato ng pamatudaan niya, we are no longer limited to the four walls of our rooms, of our houses. The doors are now open for us to explore. However, explore with responsibility. Kinahanglan, maging mahalo kita sa gihapon. Di ba, Rodney? Thank you so much for being part of our program. God bless you.
Thank you!
Dira ka lang, ha? Padayon lang ang magtutok kaya ang kapuso artist nga makachiga ko ang makaupod na sa pagbalik sa inyong paborito nga programa ko naga, GMA Regional TV Early Edition.
Ini ang GMA Regional TV Early Edition.